guys, so I've just got my very first set of Labubus have a seat from mart, so I'm going to be doing some unboxing video, hoping to get all these. So I'm hoping to get the secret. I got Dada! So I've been wanting this. Oh my god, Dada! I love pink. Yeah. Next, this one. Okay, hoping, which one? Cuckoo. I think that's how you say it. I love this one, so this one will have to be my third favorite. This is my first time getting. See. Oh yay! Oh, I love this color as well. Got Babas. So cute. One. Cool. Secret. Yay, come on. Oh, so this one will have to be my first, oh no, second favorite after Dada. Gee. Two more. Oh, this one's so silly. Come on. Oh, yay! So, your fourth favorite. So cute. Okay. Last one. Come on. Hopefully it's a secret. Got the whole set now, so just started looking for the lucky one. So I love all these. Thanks for watching.